everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And this is day 4, I think. If I thought I lost track of days when I'm at home, it's worse out here, let me tell you. So, this is my little update on what I'm wearing. As you can see, I've got a cute shirt on. Here, let me move my necklace. It's pretty, it's sequins. I've already gotten a comment on it. And then I've got my little, I thought this was an appropriate little necklace to wear today. It's one that Kimmy from Kimmy's Boxes sent me that had come in one of her boxes that she didn't think she would use. And I saw it and said, oh, I love it. So she very graciously sent it to me. Thank you, Kimmy. So, today is another day at sea. And, Bob and I have been out and about around the ship, had breakfast. We're just now sitting out here on the balcony, which is very comfortable. It's in the shade. I think I just heard the captain when he just came on and did an announcement that it's 79 degrees. So it's pretty, we just feel the movement a little bit. Decided to try sitting up here, see if this light was any better. You can see this picture. Looks like it's, I don't know, it could be anywhere. So, like I say, today I decided to wear this shirt with kind of different shades of aqua, and I've got white shorts on. So, that's about it. Now, this evening, of course, I'll put long pants on. If I change my top 2, I will come on and add to this video. But otherwise, I'll probably be wearing my, you want to guess it? Navy pants again. So, see, last evening, after we had dinner, we had a very nice dinner too. We went into this, a lounge called the Explorers Lounge. And just kind of participated in a little trivia thing about let's see, started the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000, different TV trivia. So, we did okay on that. And then there was one that was the Beatles. And I thought that Bob would just kill this trivia one. He's sitting right out here. We didn't do real well on that one. This one couple gets almost everything right in everything they're doing. So either they're very knowledgeable or they're cheating because nobody checks your answers. You're on your own. Otherwise, we walked around, a lot of people out by the pool. And of course, I'm so observant, I don't miss a thing. And I noticed that on this particular, now during these times, they are constantly cleaning things, wiping things off and cleaning them. And when you go in to eat, like in the buffet, they make you wash your hands before you go in. And, so they're really trying very hard to help keep the virus from spreading. I don't think anybody's come down with it on here. We shouldn't. Everybody who's on has been fully vaccinated. Of course, we had to do a virus test. We did Thursday, so we left Friday. So you had to do 2 days before you step on the boat, and you had to print out a thing with negative, which we were. And they make sure you're wearing your masks whenever you're out and about, unless you're sitting there drinking, like we were in the Explorers Lounge last night at several drinks. And then let's see, we were back in here. Oh no, then we went and watched a comedian. He was kind of funny. But other than that, we're pretty much sticking to our normal schedule. We haven't been overeating, so that's a good thing. So let me see if I can find a place to stand up so you can see the whole outfit. Hold on. Okay, I found it. Just putting this little teeny tripod I got. It's been working great. So here we are. You can see we've got the white shorts on and this top. So, and this top can be worn again with my navy bottoms. So, making good use of items that I brought, however minimal, I tried to make them. Okay, now we're back on the couch. So, there's been one disappointment, though. One of our ports has been canceled. Cartagena in Colombia has decided that no one can get off the ship unless they are tested again right before they get off the ship and get a negative. Well, the cruise line decided they didn't have enough to really do that. They're not prepared to do all of us in time for us to get off. So they decided we're having another day at sea. So, like I say, this is a very relaxing cruise. So, except for that one disappointment, that's, we figured, okay, there must be a reason. Maybe we would have gotten sick. Yeah. Okay, so please comment below. Share, like, subscribe. And I'm not sure if I'll come on with a change in outfit tonight. If I change my top, I'll be back on. Otherwise, just picture this with long navy pants. I hope you're having a good week. I love you all. Bye. Hi, everybody. Excuse me. It's time for dinner. So I thought I'd quick show you what I did end up wearing. I kept the same shirt on. And then the navy pants. So that was simple. So far, the navy pants have gotten a lot of use. Thank goodness I don't sweat a lot. Love y'all.